such an easy makeup tutorial. First, I'm going to take the Rose Glow by Revlon. This is kind of just a primer. I actually watched the Samantha, I think that's how you spell it, Ravindall video, and that's where I got this idea. I just love how beautiful and flawless she looked, but she looks so natural. Then I'm going to take the Hello Fab First Aid Bendy Concealer, and I'm just going to, I'm going to dot that basically where I have imperfections, kind of right on my eye, which I didn't want to put makeup on because I have psoriasis and it's kind of attacking my eyelid right now, so it sucks. I like really hate it. So if you guys suffer with psoriasis, let a girl know. I'm with you. I get it. It sucks. It's the worst. But I'm just going to speed this up. I'm using a dry beauty blender. I'm just pushing it into my skin. And again, all I have is the concealer and the primer on right now. Then I'm going to take the Buxom Divine Goddess highlight palette, and this is gel based, so it feels kind of liquidy, and I really like it. And by liquidy, I don't mean oily or greasy. It's just the perfect gel base. It feels so good. So if you have oily skin, don't be afraid of this palette. And I'm kind of going to contour my face a little bit, and then I'm going to push it into my skin. And what I like about doing this is that it's going to allow my freckles to show. It's going to allow some of my imperfections to kind of show, but it's going to make me still look really pretty and kind of bring out the good points of my face. Then I'm going to take this in gold, and this is Dermablend Pro, and this is another one of their liquid highlighters. And I know you guys probably think I'm crazy putting all these highlighters on my face, and it's all like gel-based, liquid-based, but I'm telling you, it just keeps your skin looking fresh and natural and dewy without looking cakey. I don't know, I feel like Instagram now, like everything's, you know, do it for the gram, and everything's got to be so perfect. I'm loving just the imperfections and the freckles showing through and seeing skin again. I feel like this is just a breath of fresh air. So I'm going to take this shade. I'll put it all in the description box below, but it's all these different singles from Lancôme, and I'm going to use this as like a little highlight. But again, it's kind of gel based and it feels very buttery. It feels so soft. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my face right now. And I'm going to hit all the high points. Then this is just a light brown. You could use it for lips, eyes, cheeks, really whatever you want. And I'm going to carve that into my cheekbone just to give them a little definition and just a little color just to brighten my face back up. And I'm going to kind of put it at the top of my forehead too. And then I am going to use my beauty blender to really just kind of push that into my skin so that everything blends together and there's no hard lines. This is so pretty. You could use it again, eyes, cheeks, lips, whatever you want. I'm going to use it as my blush, and it gives you such a perfect, natural, flushed look. It just makes you look like you've been out in the sun, you're happy, you've been smiling, you're laughing. I put a little bit on my nose too, just to look like really happy and again, flush, like you just been smiling and laughing, and you rubbed a little bit of your makeup off, and it just keeps you looking just so feminine and girly and romantic. And then I'm going to take another brown by Lancôme, and I'm going to put this on my eyes. And what I like, there's a little bit of dewy highlight to it, so it just makes your eyes just look really fresh and bright, like you got a little bit of a tan.
Interesting question.
There goes Siri. But this is honestly my favorite look, and my husband loves this look because he's like, you're bringing out your best features without looking caked face and powdery. So then I'm going to take the iconic London, and this is the Prep Set Spray, and this is going to overall just push everything to place, and it's just going to keep that dewy look going. And I just push everything to my skin with that beauty blender. And again, I barely have any powder on. I don't even think I put powder on my face yet. And this is, again, just going to help kind of like let my skin peek through. This is the powder product I put on my face. This is new by Pixie Glow, and it's called Gilded Bear. And I'm just going to kind of put it all over my face and my cheeks and all that kind of stuff, just to kind of keep my skin nice and glowy, but just keep it soft because I don't want it to look like I have powder on my face. Then these were the new Almay lipsticks. I love these lipsticks. They're called #LipVibes. I'm actually going to upload a video on all their swatches because they're beautiful. So I'll put everything in the description below. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.